Well, good day, and welcome to your AI News headlines for Saturday, the 25th of October, 2025. So today we're diving into Google's revolutionary AI for scientific discovery, a landmark US-China pact on military AI verification, and India's pioneering AI governance framework for its vast telecom sector, Right, first up, Google researchers have unveiled an extraordinary evolutionary AI workflow that, promises to significantly accelerate scientific progress. So as detailed in Google AI Revolutionizes Scientific Software Development, this breakthrough basically uses large language models to iteratively refine scientific software, creating evolutionary trees of code. Now, this system has already outperformed current state-of-the-art solutions across 6 critical computational tasks, from protein folding to climate modeling. I mean, it's a game-changer, especially considering researchers often spend up to 30% of their time debugging code rather than conducting actual research. And actually, the AI doesn't just copy, it innovates through combinatorial improvements, marking a significant step in AI-augmented research infrastructure. Anyway, meanwhile, on the geopolitical front, a truly groundbreaking agreement has been reached between the United States and China. So, as reported in US-China Pact establishes military AI verification protocol, both nations have formally established a joint understanding on military AI judgment verification. Now, this technical implementation involves shared cryptographic verification methods, allowing each nation to confirm the integrity of the other's AI decision-making without revealing classified algorithms, and, crucially, incorporates human-in-the-loop requirements during escalation phases. I mean, this pact sets a vital precedent for AI arms control, even as it deliberately excludes offensive cyber capabilities, reflecting persistent strategic mistrust. And finally, India is, making significant strides in AI governance within critical infrastructure. So India's Telecom Regulatory Authority, TRAI, has released a comprehensive consultation paper proposing mandatory AI governance standards for telecommunications providers. Now, this framework, highlighted in India's TRAI proposes AI governance framework for telecom, is like Asia's most detailed to date. It basically requires algorithmic impact assessments for all AI systems affecting network management and customer service, with special provisions for protecting vulnerable users. I mean, given India's 1.2 billion mobile subscribers, where AI now handles over 70% of customer interactions, this is a crucial move towards accountability. And mind you, the framework uniquely addresses India's linguistic diversity by requiring multilingual explainability for automated decisions, and includes incentives for open-source AI adoption in rural connectivity projects. Right, here at AICI, we, see these developments as pivotal. So regarding Google's scientific AI, while the potential for accelerating discovery is immense, AICI's view is that this technology honestly demands careful ethical consideration. I mean, the risk of black box scientific tools could undermine peer review if researchers can't fully understand the AI's modifications. We recommend immediate collaboration between tech companies and academic institutions to establish open standards for auditing AI-optimized scientific code, ensuring these powerful tools enhance rather than erode trust in scientific outcomes, right? Now, on the US-China Pact, AICI believes this cautious but significant step demonstrates that even geopolitical rivals can find common ground on AI safety when existential risks are clear. However, the exclusion of cyber warfare reveals fundamental limitations, so we urge expansion of this framework to include third-party verification mechanisms involving neutral technical experts, which would strengthen credibility and potentially create pathways for broader multilateral engagement on autonomous weapon systems before capabilities outpace governments, basically. And for India's TRAI framework, AICI's view is that it, demonstrates commendable nuance in addressing India's unique socio-technical landscape. However, enforcement mechanisms remain a bit underdeveloped. The real test will be ensuring smaller telecom providers aren't disproportionately burdened by compliance costs, mind you. So we recommend coupling these regulations with government-funded AI auditing cooperatives for smaller operators, which would maintain competitive markets while achieving the framework's core objective of building public trust in AI-driven essential services through transparent, context-aware governance at the end of the day. So today's news truly underscores the pervasive and transformative impact of AI across science, geopolitics, and critical infrastructure, alongside the urgent need for robust ethical governance. I mean, we've seen incredible innovation, cautious cooperation, and pioneering regulation all in one day, haven't we? It's a dynamic landscape, and we'll be here every day to help you navigate it. Do join us again tomorrow for more essential AICI insights. Until then, have a splendid day. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.